Okay, so if I make a vanity mirror, I'll show that later. It's just like a three light bar, bathroom light, pretty much. And it's got two of these, as you can see. It's from Walmart. Nothing fancy. It's gonna come like this out the box. You know, coming out the box. You're gonna get these orange caps, some screws. Yeah, you get that. What you want to do is eventually you want this like this. It's pretty much, it's easy. So what I'm gonna do is, of course, I'm gonna use the lamp cord. Okay. So what I've done, because what you pretty much got to do, I don't know if you guys can see this. Well, here we go. Okay, there's two ends pretty much. So when the two ends, it's gonna be like the cord. Each cord, one of these, it's gonna be a smooth side, and there's gonna be a rigid side. I'm trying to show you guys rigid. See the groove right here. You have the groove side. You see it right here. I just lost focus. Have the groove side. Then you have the smooth side. Okay. The groove side connects to the white on the vanity. The smooth goes to the black. So you got to remember. Smooth black. The rigid goes to the white. So pretty much what's going to happen here is I cut some of this lamp cord just about this much off. That's all. Okay. I still have the part that plugs into the wall. I just cut a little from here. It was connected like this. I just cut a little more. Okay. Because what's going to happen is I'm going to connect the rigid side again. Okay, to the white, and the smooth side to the black on here. Where's that white? Okay. So, you know, it's going to be, I'll show you guys. So the smooth side is going to go to the black, and the rigid is going to go with the white. Okay. But I'm gonna need something in between because I need both of these connected. I'm gonna use a single cord, so that's why I cut this a little bit so I can put this with that. So make sure you match it up too. Okay. Make sure you have the rigid side that's gonna go to the white, and then the smooth side is gonna go to the black. Okay. So smooth side black, rigid goes to the white. Then you're going to connect it to this one. Okay. And then these caps, you're going to put it on. I'll show you in a minute. You're going to put the cap on. Okay. Before you put the cap on this side, or whichever side you want to put it on, make sure the lamp plug, the one that goes on the wall, make sure that end you match it up the same. The rigid with the white, the smooth with the black, and you cap it all together. So now you have all these bridge, both of these together, bridge, and you plug it in, they both come on. Easy. And then you're going to put, once I hook that together, I'm going to put my caps on and cap everything. And then it's going to be done. All I got to do is mount it on the wall, and I'll be finished. So I got these two connected. Let's go into my bridge. Okay. And then I also have cord, which is going to be connected to this. And I got these caps. You know, these was only like 97 cents out of Walmart. So, twist on little wire connectors. Nice little package. Yeah, look at that, quite a few. Yeah, quite a few of them. You don't need a lot because this end is only 2 wires connected together. It's only 2, and the one coming out of the vanity lights, and then this is just my little bridge cord. It's nothing but I just cut off just a little bit, just a few, like maybe like what, maybe a foot off of the lamp cord. So I can use it in my bridge, and then it's gonna connect with this. That's why I got the yellow little wing wire guards, because I'm gonna have 3 wires. The wire from the bridge plus this vanity, the wires coming out of there. Plus I'm gonna have the wire that has, I plug into the outlet. So I have to put that together so it can have juice. And there you go. And then you should be done, mount it up. But like I said, I'll show you guys at the end. So just to show you guys, it's on the way. Yeah, whatever. But so I have the vanity, have everything, just as a little test. I got the bulb in. Again, I got the black and white cord from here. Okay. From the lights going into this cord. Okay. And it's connected to these other lights. So I got 2. I'm gonna have 2, 1 on each one. And then you're gonna have a cord. You can buy your lamp cord. You got the lamp cord, and it's gonna plug in. So I'm gonna try to do that right now as a test. Let's see. One second. I'll do this with one hand. So, whew, there you go. I'll cut this light off. So there you go, just a little test, as you can see. So, just a little test. The cord came loose, that's why it happened out like that. But yeah, so yeah. And once I play everything up, everything should just be fine. You don't need this ground wire. You can just tuck it inside and then put the plate cover back on. I'm gonna put this plate cover back on, and is, good. All of this is gonna be behind the mirror when I hang up the mirror on the wall. So you won't see none of these wires, none of that. Okay. You can get a little fancy with it and buy certain switches and stuff, but I wasn't trying to go through all of that. But it's easy. So yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like when the product is up. And yeah. So if you wanna have an outline on your wall, already kind of, you can see why I had the mirror up, and I did, that's where I want to place it at. So pretty much this is the finished product. Stick my drill and stuff right there, but as you can see, you can just, so I just got a power strip I just put to the back of the dresser, and I got the little, it might not be, suitable, but hey, it's doing the job. So and that's it.